Okay, here we are back at our customers table, and I want to add another column. I want to add a column of all the total returns in money terms each customer ID got back. Not the amount of returns, but rather the sum of all the returns. So this is why in the returns worksheet we added the price column for this exact reason. And if we go back to the customers worksheet, we will do just this. So in the G column here, let's add a header, returns sum, and let's make it bigger. Let's paint it. Okay, so basically what function will we be using? We will be using the function SumIf. This function lets you sum a total number of cells based on a certain condition which I choose. Let's take a close look at the SumIf function. The first thing it asks for is the range. This is the range to which the condition will be applied to. The second thing it asks for is the condition itself. What are we asking it? And thirdly is the actual cells to sum. What are we trying to find? What are we adding here at the end of the day? So let's see how this SumIf function works on our table, on our example table. So in this instance, we are looking at the country column, and we are asking the condition, does it equal Argentina? If so, add and sum the numbers column. So let's see how Excel processes this function. It goes to the country column, and it goes cell by cell until he finds Argentina. Then he goes to the numbers column and adds that number cell, that value. So we have two countries who are Argentina, so 10 and 11 are the respective values of the numbers column, so Excel will return 21. Okay, now on to the SumIfs function. A bit different than SumIf. The first thing it asks for is the sum range, the answer, the cells we are trying to sum at the end of the day. Secondly, it gives you the first criteria and the first condition. Thirdly, we have the second criteria range and, of course, the next condition. So in our example table, we are summing at the end of the day the numbers. The first condition is the country France, and the second condition is the year of birth smaller than 1994? Is he older than someone who was born in 1994? So we go to the country column. We go to France. Oh, we have France here. Let's go to the year of birth. Is it smaller than 1994? No, so it'll skip it. Next one, we have the country France, and it goes to year of birth. Yes, this one is smaller than 1994, so it will add the number 9. That's it. We have no other countries here of France, so that's it for SumIfs. Okay, so let's try to implement this function on our table here. So we go to return sum, we type in SumIf. The range we want to choose is in the returns worksheet. We go to customer ID, we highlight that array. The condition is, does it equal to the customer ID in the customer's worksheet? And of course, what we are trying to sum is the price. So, the answer is price, and we click enter. As we can see here, there's the list of all the prices. We have wide range of return sums, and that's that. Now we have a much better understanding of Excel and how to sum numbers based on conditions.